Hi, it's Emily from WTI. These are my newest addition to my stasher bag family. These are the pocket-sized stashers in a pair. I used to go through so many plastic bags. I mean, as a mom of 5 kids, there's a lot of storing and organizing and sorting that needs to happen, and a lot of leftovers and a lot of snacks. Stasher bags have completely revolutionized the way that we store all sorts of things. These pocket-sized bags are awesome because they fit in a pocket, as their name would indicate, really well, and they're super great for sorting and organizing different small things. They fit a business card, so they're very good for your purse if you're trying to organize or you have business ventures. They fit a nice little amount of snacks. If you need to take your meds on a trip or pack medications for a few days, they're really great for that too. They hold up over time to washing, drying, dishwasher safe. The seal on them is really good and tight. They're microwave safe, they're boiling safe. They're just the best food storage bags you can buy, but their options don't end there. There's so many good ideas for things that you can do with stasher bags. And they're great for the environment too, because they get rid of so many single-use bags in your life. And they're a great addition if you're trying to reduce your carbon footprint and do something good for the environment while still staying organized. They're really cute too. I love the way they're kind of translucent so you can see what's in them. They've been a great addition to our stasher bag family, and that's my point of view.